The following video uses the Duo mobile app. Currently, I already have an account added called Do-Re-Mi. So when I sign into my company's email website, I am prompted to verify with Duo. I get the options to 1. Receive a text message. 2. Receive a phone call. Or 3. Use a passcode from the app, which is not available using the type of device I have. Your options may vary depending on your company or the type of device you access. Since I have the app open, if I had the option, I could submit a passcode. Please note, you can use the passcode even if your phone has no service. As long as you can open the app, the passcode will work to verify. Please also note the passcode may not be an option for every application. You may be prompted to only receive a phone call or text message. But let's say you received a new phone or a new phone number. You would click the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner and delete this account. Then you would contact your company to request a new activation code. Once you click, type, or scan the activation code on your device, then an account will be added. Duo Mobile is a 2-factor authentication service which offers you additional options to verify your account. You may be prompted to receive a phone call, text message, verify with biometrics, present a security key, or use a mobile device for verification. Please also note, you do not have to use the mobile app. I recommend that you do not. You may just want to select the option to receive a phone call or text message.